Hi, I'm Samantha Cotterill, and I'd love to invite you to join me for my upcoming workshop, Paper Stories, Crafting 3D Dioramas for Illustration and Children's Books. This is a class about building tiny worlds. Imagine making a little theater stage out of paper and foam board, and then filling it with cutout trees, characters, skies, shadows, and finally bringing it all to life with light and photography. Over 2 weeks, I'll walk you through the whole process. You're going to learn how to sketch and design your scene, how to paint textures and play with paper, how to cut, fold, and build your stage, how to light your set like a little film studio, and finally, how to photograph it beautifully so it looks just as magical on screen or in print as it does in your hands. Don't worry if you've never done anything like this before. Everything is broken down step by step with videos, templates, plenty of encouragement, and lots of live interaction. By the end, you will have your very own finished 3D diorama, a miniature theater for your story to live inside. And the best part? We'll finish a little diorama party where everyone can share their creations, cheer each other on, and celebrate the joy of making something by hand. So if you love storytelling, illustration, or just the sheer delight of scissors, glue, and paper, come join me and let's build a tiny paper world together.